How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can use the double exposure in Snapseed. So basically, first things first, I'm going to import one of my images right here. So let's just click on pictures. Let's add this one. And now we have our based photo. The way that we could use the double exposure is to click on tools, select double exposure, and from here, I'm actually going to add an image. I'm going to add this one, and basically what you can do is to match or to combine these images together. So if I go ahead and click on the opacity, and then we could reduce it, or we can simply increase it to match the first image right here. And we can also click on the blend tools. In here we can lighten, we can add, we can subtract, or we can overlay it onto our main photo. But basically, after clicking on check, you will be able to match it with the main photo that we have used. Of course, you can add another one by navigating through the double exposure once more. And then let's go ahead and add this one. And from here, let's actually go ahead and decrease the size a little bit. And then once again, you could adjust the opacity the way you want to. And same thing with the blend right here. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.